Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Reset network. Reset. Network settings. Wireless. Select your network. Enter password. Open Apps. Settings. Select YouTube. If you have the option to delete YouTube, then delete the YouTube app and install it again. If removal is not available, reinstall the YouTube app. If YouTube does not work after that, YouTube may have a temporary glitch. That's it. Now you know how to fix YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.